Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Close-Up Original is probably one of the most iconic toothpastes out there, a staple in many households for generations. But is it still a top contender in today's market? In this video, we're diving deep into Close-Up Original, exploring its unique features, its effectiveness, and whether it lives up to its reputation for a dazzling smile and long-lasting freshness. Get ready to discover if this classic toothpaste is still a winner. Number 5. Boka Nano-Hydroxyapatite Toothpaste, Cinnamon Mint. This is Boka toothpaste, a new way to care for your teeth. It's designed for everyone, offering a fresh approach to oral hygiene. The formula includes nano-hydroxyapatite, a mineral that makes up most of your teeth. This ingredient has been researched for years and offers many benefits for your teeth. This toothpaste is free from fluoride, sulfates, parabens, and artificial flavors. It's safe for daily use and non-toxic, making it a great choice for your oral care routine. It's gentle yet effective, providing a soothing experience for the whole family. This toothpaste is designed to make your brushing experience more enjoyable. This toothpaste avoids fluoride, sulfates, parabens, artificial flavors, and colors. It offers a simple, clean, and safe way to keep your teeth healthy. Enjoy the refreshing blend of mint and cinnamon. The mint leaves your breath feeling fresh, while the cinnamon adds a unique twist to your brushing experience. What we like? This toothpaste features a unique nano-hydroxyapatite formula, which is a key ingredient for enamel care. It's also free from fluoride, sulfates, and parabens, making it a safe choice. If you are looking for a toothpaste that prioritizes enamel health and a refreshing flavor, this is the one for you. What people say. The nano-hydroxyapatite technology is remarkable. It naturally remineralizes teeth while providing gentle yet thorough cleaning. My teeth feel noticeably smoother and cleaner after each use, with a fresh, polished sensation that lasts. The sensitivity relief has been outstanding. As someone with sensitive teeth, I've struggled with traditional toothpastes, but this formula provides genuine comfort without compromising cleaning effectiveness. No more wincing during brushing or eating cold foods. It leaves my teeth feeling incredibly clean and smooth without any harsh or gritty feeling. I love that it's fluoride-free yet still helps strengthen enamel and reduce sensitivity. My teeth feel healthier and less reactive over time. Number 4. Chrome Cherry SqueezMe Toothpaste Caps. Are you fed up with sticky toothpaste caps and messy counters? This self-sealing silicone design keeps your bathroom clean. It dispenses toothpaste neatly and automatically seals itself. No more crusty, gunky lids. This self-closing cap promotes a cleaner brushing routine for both kids and adults. It avoids exposed toothpaste buildup and eliminates lost or dirty caps. Say goodbye to waste. This smart cap helps you control the amount dispensed. It reduces product waste and helps you save money in the long run. Simply remove your original cap and press this dispenser onto the tube. No twisting or turning is required. For tubes without threads, just unscrew the entire top before installing. Designed to fit most standard toothpaste tubes, this cap is a versatile upgrade to your daily routine. It's ideal for busy households, kids' bathrooms, travel kits, and more. What we like? This product solves the common problem of messy toothpaste tubes with its innovative self-closing cap. It's designed to dispense the right amount, reducing waste and keeping your bathroom clean. If you have kids or simply want a tidier oral care routine, this is a must-have. What people say. Provides long-lasting freshness. The original flavor is refreshing. Number 3. Coral Nano Silver Toothpaste. This toothpaste uses natural ingredients to keep your mouth fresh and clean. It's designed without harsh chemicals, ensuring a safe and effective clean. The toothpaste is fluoride-free, dye-free, and free of many other undesirable additives. You can safely swallow it without worry, making it a great choice for everyone. It combines coral calcium, nano-silver technology, and xylitol for up to 12 hours of protection. These ingredients work together to neutralize acid and restore pH balance. The formula includes coral calcium, nano-silver particles, and xylitol. It also features a unique blend of herbal ingredients to promote healthy gums. Enjoy the refreshing cinnamon tea tree flavor made with essential oils. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh, providing long-lasting protection. Choose this for a natural approach to oral care. What we like. This toothpaste harnesses the power of natural ingredients like coral calcium and nano silver. It's also free from harsh chemicals, artificial flavors, and dyes. If you like a natural approach to oral care with a refreshing flavor, you should consider this. What people say. Provides long-lasting freshness. The original flavor is refreshing. Number 2. Lumineux Teeth Whitening Toothpaste 2-pack. This toothpaste offers a healthy way to whiten your teeth. It is clinically proven to remove plaque and stains, leading to a brighter smile. This product is designed to be tough on stains while remaining gentle on your enamel. You can whiten your teeth daily without worrying about sensitivity. It not only whitens your teeth but also promotes overall oral health. It helps remove plaque, leading to healthier gums and stronger enamel. The effectiveness of this toothpaste is clinically proven. It was formulated by a dentist using ingredients that are good for your oral health. For enhanced whitening, consider using it with other Lumineux products. Using the whitening strips and mouthwash can help you achieve longer-lasting results. What we like. This toothpaste offers a healthy way to whiten your teeth while being gentle on your enamel. It's formulated by dentists and free of peroxide, ensuring a safe and effective whitening experience. If you are looking for a whitening toothpaste that prioritizes enamel health, it's a great choice. What people say. It works great at whitening my teeth and does not cause them to feel overly sensitive or hurt. It gets my teeth clean and my breath fresh. It is very effective at whitening my teeth and cleaning them at the same time. Number 1. Close-Up Fluoride Toothpaste, Red Gel 4 ounces, pack of 4. Introducing Close-Up Fluoride Toothpaste. This red gel is designed to clean, whiten, and freshen your breath. It's the perfect way to start your day with confidence. This toothpaste combines the power of cleaning and whitening with the refreshing feeling of mouthwash. The microfoamers gently clean and whiten your teeth, leaving you with a bright smile. The red gel formula contains fluoride to protect your teeth against cavities. It helps strengthen your enamel, keeping your teeth healthy and strong. The microfoamers in this toothpaste gently clean and whiten your teeth. They work to remove stains and impurities, giving you a naturally brighter smile. Experience the long-lasting freshness of real mouthwash. It leaves your breath feeling clean and revitalized, giving you the confidence to get close-up. With Close-Up Fluoride Toothpaste, you can have the confidence to get close-up. It's the perfect way to achieve a clean, white smile and fresh breath. What we like. This toothpaste combines cleaning, whitening, and breath freshening in one product. The red gel with fluoride protects your teeth against cavities. If you like the feeling of a fresh, clean mouth and want cavity protection, you should consider this. What people say. She has dentures and says this is the only one that actually gets them clean and makes her mouth feel fresh. No harsh abrasives and not mint, but the flavor is not a strong cinnamon either. Makes your teeth look super white and you get fresh breath. It definitely leaves you with a feeling of a fresh, clean mouth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.